Order processing is the first part of the order management process. Let's listen in as Anna explains how order processing works for different types of products.
For some products, I fulfill orders from inventory, but for others, I need to schedule production. Can you explain why?
There are make-to-stock, assemble-to-order, and make-to-order products.
Okay, let's start with make-to-stock. Those are like our T-Stars, right?
Exactly. Those have predictable demand, are low value, and have infrequent design changes. So we just make them based on the demand forecast and fulfill orders from inventory.
What about assemble-to-order?
That's what we do for our Sports Stars jackets. They have less predictable demand, are medium value, and frequent design changes. Components are ordered based on a demand forecast, but we assemble the Sports Stars only when we receive customer orders.
So that makes the Eve designer jackets make-to-order, right?
That's right. They have unpredictable demand, are high value, and frequent design changes. Even components frequently become obsolete, so it's risky to hold them in inventory. We only order the components and make the Eves when we receive customer orders.
Daniel sees that whether a product is make-to-stock, assemble-to-order, or make-to-order depends on the predictability of its demand, its value, and how frequently the design changes.